What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, what is it, September's Boxycharm. It's been a long day. Look at that. Oh wow, okay. Anyway, so I'm going to be unboxing this Boxycharm, and then I'm going to put on some of it on my face. And I'm going to do a voiceover this time because I feel like that might be a little bit more helpful. So I already have all my face on. So we're going to jump right into the unboxing and then you'll see the finished look. Here it is. Open it up. There's a little doodaddy thingy. I'll read that in 2 seconds once I'm done unboxing. So this is everything that's in here, which actually it looks a little like smaller than normal. I don't know. I'm just going to pull out the first thing and we'll see how it goes. First thing is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush in Brighton in the color Tropic Hues. There's dust all over it. Ooh, that is pretty. It looks like a planet to me. That's exciting. It kind of, okay. I like that. All right. I've not been wearing blush lately. I'll just like wear my like highlighter or whatever. But I'm going to try this out because I really like this because it's pink and then it has a little bit of orangey shimmer in it. I don't know if you can tell. I need better lighting, but it's not happening right now. So the second thing is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. I doubt I'll ever use this, but we'll see. So here it is. Okay. This is the tip here. Can you see it? I don't know if it's going to focus. But I don't know. We'll see if that works. I saw these like before when MAC released them and I was like, okay. So I guess we'll be trying that today. Next thing is the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. Okay. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. See that? Alright. I can do that. It's really pretty. Boom. Cool. This is like, I'm a liquid lip kind of woman, girl, person. But this is a matte. So this is supposed to like stay on as matte. And this looks a little quicker than liquid because liquid is really difficult sometimes. Okay. Next thing we have is the Alamar, looks like eyeshadow brushes. Just take them out. They are green. I love getting the brushes because I am kind of addicted. Hey, can't help it. Alright, so we got, looks like a big fluffy, a flat defined, and then looks like a precision. It doesn't even say what's on them. Like, it doesn't say their name on it. But that's cool. Okay, awesome. And I assume they go with this next thing, which I'm pretty excited. It's the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. I'm so excited. I love this brand, and every time I get some in my boxes, I just get so excited. But look at freaking this right now. Oh my gosh. These are the most beautiful colors. Okay, I kid you not. I have been looking for like these kind of like cool tone nudes, like grays and stuff. And like somebody was listening. God was listening to me because like I'm gonna like use this every day. This is perfect. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alrighty, so and I'm gonna go through the value. I paid $21 a month for this box. The last thing we took out was the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. That retails at $35, so I have already made $14 back per se. Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighton is $28. There we go. Oh, next is the brushes. The Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, $18. Not bad, I guess. So like $6 each. Next is the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. That's $19. You could have got this color. You could have got like a nudie coral or like a pinky purple color. And then the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Eyeliner. That is $19. Cool. And the theme is a wildflower. I don't know if you can read that. I actually really like that. I might cut this out and like hang it out somewhere because that is really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what I'm going to do now get rid of the garbage. Just throw it on the ground like I normally do and then pick it up later. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a quick look. And I'm just going to do a voiceover because I feel like I get too distracted. I get really distracted. So, let's get started. Okay, so I started off with the Urban Decay eye primer. And I kind of put that all over my lid, and this is really old, so I need to get a new one, so it's not going on very well. So I just put that on. Sorry about the lighting, it really sucks. Every time I move, my camera adjusts. Then I go ahead and pat that primer into my eyelid. I'm going to go in with this cool nude color Hide and Seek with the big fluffy brush, and I'm going to work that into my crease. Again, sorry about my lighting, it kind of sucks. My camera is just my iPhone camera, so it kind of adjusts every time I hit the light a certain way. I'm just trying to figure out which color I want to use next because there are so many that I want to use. So I'm going to go in with this light color, and I just missed the color of it. Ooh, look at the frame fall out. I'm just patting that into my lid there with that precision. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Precision brush. I'm going to go with the fluffy brush and go into this After Midnight gray color and work that into my crease as well. So I just pat that in the outer corner just to kind of define that a little bit more. Not that you can see because of stupid lighting. But I patted that in to create an upward V because that is the best flattering shape for my eye. And then I'm just kind of working that into the crease and blending it a little bit. I'm going to go in with that. I just missed that color as well. But it's a white sparkly color. I'm going to put that in my inner corner just to give me a little pop. Take a big fluffy brush with this nude color at the top there. I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges just so I can soften up my look a little bit. I'm not trying to go for anything dramatic. I'm going to go in with that little flat precision brush, and I'm going to dip into that After Midnight color and put it on the bottom lash line, about on the outside, going in just about halfway. I'm gonna do the actually accidentally did not record the beginning of me attempting that roll-on eyeliner, so I did the other eye for you as well. Sorry about the lighting. I did not really like this roll-on eyeliner like whatsoever. It was really difficult to work with, and like I just didn't like it. I just prefer my liquid eyeliner felt pen. It just works better for me. So my wings on, looking great, and I'm going to put on that blush. I actually ended up really liking this because it wasn't too harsh. In the past, I've received blushes and they were just way too harsh. This was great. Blush looks good, happy with it. Go ahead and put on that lip matte lipstick stuff, whatever it is. I overdraw my lips, I know. My top lip is like nothing. My bottom lip is huge. So I just like to compensate for that a little bit. It's just a preference. I just have to blend it really well so it doesn't look unnatural. But this lip was a little too bright, too light for me personally. I liked it when I first put it on. I tried to put it on today and it was not my favorite. But I mean, like, it's cute. It's really cute for a simple look like this. I probably wouldn't wear it every day. I prefer something a little darker. But this was really cute. It was easy to work with and easy to put on. It's just a little too bright and light for me. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final look, and I actually did my hair. It's alright. It's going to be different in a few months. This is just the transitional shade because I want black to gray, and we're working on that. I just have very dark hair, as you can see. This is the final look. Just a very simple wing, simple eye, and a pinky nude lip with those pink chinks. I'm very happy with it. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm happy with it. I'm so excited. I finally have a tablet like this. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.